Assalamu alaikum students. In this topic we will discuss about another very simple example of symmetric encryption algorithm known as ROT13, or ROT stand for rotate by 13. So this is short for rotate by 13 places. Okay, let's see. ROT13 cipher is basically, we can read it out as rotate by 13 places. This is a special case of Caesar cipher in which the shift is always of 13 places, which is fixed. So this is an example of substitution cipher. Like we discussed before, the Caesar cipher is a substitution cipher जहाँ पे हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं जो हमारे पास प्लेन टेक्स्ट के अंदर कैरेक्टर या लेटर्स होते हैं उनको किसी और लेटर्स या कैरेक्टर्स के साथ। तो यहाँ पे भी हम वो जो रिप्लेसमेंट है बेसिकली वो हम कैरेक्टर्स को आगे शिफ्ट करते हैं। तो यहाँ पे वो जो शिफ्ट अमाउंट है बेसिकली वो फिक्स्ड है बाय 13 प्लेसेस। सो इफ यू लुक एट द इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट्स and if you rotate these letters A, for example, by 13 places, you will reach up to N, right? If you count from 1 up to 13, so it means A will get replaced by N. और यहाँ पे internal जो circle है वहाँ पे वो जिस character से वो replace होगा वो दिखाई दे रहा है. So B will get replaced with O. Similarly, you can see for the whole alphabets. And likewise, you can see N will get replaced back by A. If you shift N 13 places, you will reach up to A. So another way of looking at this is given here. You see A will get replaced by N. Likewise, N will get replaced by A. Similarly, B अगर आपके पास plain text में है, so replace हो जाएगा by O, and O will get replaced by B. And let's consider this example. Let's say you have a plain text hello. If you want to encrypt this hello message using ROT13, rotate by 13 places, so H will get replaced by which character? You can see maybe from either of these two figures. You see here H will get replaced by U, right? And similarly E will get replaced by R. So these color are indicated in the के ये जो आपके plain text के characters हैं वो कौन से character से replace होंगे. So you can see for the last one O will get replaced by B. So this is your plain text and this is your ciphertext. So I hope you can see it's very simple. ये Caesar cipher की ही एक example है जहाँ पे हमने वो जो shift amount है वो fixed है जिसकी वजह से इसका नाम भी rotate by 13 है. और आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कि इसको ब्रेक करना भी काफ़ी आसान है. So there are some weaknesses with this algorithm. You can say it's a very poor encryption algorithm because the key is fixed. So everyone can easily guess maybe. So this is susceptible to frequency analysis and also susceptible to brute forcing. कि सीजर साइफर में भी हम मुख्तलिफ कीज को ट्राई करते हुए आसानी के साथ गेस कर सकते हैं कि शिफ्ट अमाउंट कितनी है. सो इस तरह इस एल्गोरिथम को भी आसानी से ब्रेक किया जा सकता है. सो द पर्पस ऑफ दिस टॉपिक वाज टू गिव यू एन आइडिया ऑफ ए सिमेट्रिक एन्क्रिप्शन कि जहाँ पे हम सेम ही की के थ्रू इनक्रिप्शन कर रहे होते हैं और डिक्रिप्शन भी. अब यहाँ पे जब साइफर टेक्स्ट हमारे पास आ गया है तो अगर आप वापस इससे प्लेन टेक्स्ट रिट्रीव करना चाहते हैं तो आपने इसी साइफर टेक्स्ट को दोबारा shift करना है by 13. So if you want to shift this, for example, U by 13 places, you can see here U will get replaced by H and you will get this plain text back. Let's write it down here. R will get replaced by E. Y will get replaced by L. And similarly, you have another Y that will get replaced by L and B will get replaced by O. So you get the plain text back. So its working is very simple. We use the same key, the same shift amount to get the ciphertext, and again we do the same operation to get back the plain text. लेकिन ये इतना सिंपल है कि इसको ब्रेक करना भी बहुत आसान है. So that's why it's not practically used. So I hope you understand about the symmetric encryption algorithm example, rotate by 13, and I hope you may find it useful. See you in the next topic. Until then, bye bye.